Hello friends, very good morning. This is the Ballari rider Avinash. Welcome to another vlog. I think you all people got confused why I have came directly inside the VR box. Hello friends, very good morning. This is the Ballari rider Avinash. Welcome to another vlog. Today I have brought a new VR box. See, take a look on this. I am showing the VR box inside what it is working, how VR box is working, visual effects, new kind of visual effects. See guys, now I am in the main box, in the main menu. So now what I'm going to do is going to turn on any new videos, like a choice new. Let us go for adventure 360 degrees. Yeah, I got a play button here. There is a small arrow mark, as you can see. It is a cursor. We can select the this man is sitting on this. Oh, we are going.
Here we go.
Upward
Getting close to the top.
direction.
Getting close to the top. The suspense is killing me.
Wow.
Okay, here we go.
Yes guys, now I am in the VR box. Come on, take a look on this VR box inside. We have a little bit a small cursor, you can see there a small yes, I'm going to open jet video. Come on, take a look on this. I'm going to play. Wow, visual effect. Can keep the resolution how much we want. Cap 360 pixel. So look at the visual guys. I don't know where I am. A lot of smoke. Oh guys, we are on the air. Look at the inside a plane. I think it is a rocket. This is the operator is driving the rocket. Look at the jet guys. Wow, it looks pretty awesome. We are on the sky. Wow, amazing. Woo! Look at the jet guys, smoking. Wow, look at the location. It's look pretty awesome. Wow, so beautiful it is. Never had such a big experience like that before. Very nice, amazing. Let's go for another video. Come on. Come on guys, take a look on another video. We are on the track here. Whoa, 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 whoa. We are on the top. Whoa. Hello. Whoa. Oh, amazing. Oh, where I am? Here I am. Oh. Come on, let's go for another video. Go back. Let us choose another video. Let us go for this.
Orca noises, killer whales, and we conducted that experiment on a shipwreck. This video is a behind-the-scenes tour of that wreck in full 360 degrees.
360 degrees.
So as we descend, you can already see the reason why we came to this wreck in the first place. There's loads of sharks. If you look all the way around,
see the bubbles in the air. This man is on the top.
you're surrounded by, I reckon, 25 sharks? These are nearly all Caribbean reef sharks, with the odd nurse shark thrown in. They're pretty hard to see.
Good.
Now, I have to admit, I do get a little nervous before getting in the water with these guys, particularly.
I had a wonderful experience in this VR box. I just took a couple of minutes in the VR box. I had a wonderful experience by looking inside the VR box. I am impressed with this thing. Such a nice thing it is. I just liked it very much. I just standing on one place looking all over the world at a time. Just look at the nature, guys. Wow. Come on guys, let's play another video. Let's play. Wow, we are in the racetrack. Here some rider is going to drive a car in the racetrack. Wow. Very awesome car it is. The racetrack is cool. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Oh guys, I'm falling down. Yeah, I got the wall. I did not fall. Okay guys. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please share it. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Be happy. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Look at the smoke. Wow. Wonderful experience. You also try it once, guys. Okay, bye-bye.